Okay, hello dear friends. I am doing some math worksheet. So let's take a look at the first problem. It is measuring the surface area of this odd shape, the first one. So I want to transfer it by drawing the picture of it. And I have tried one time and kind of getting messy. And then I decide, let's draw it together, since I start to figure out how to draw this picture. So this picture I started drawing from the outside edge and got a little bit lost. And then I was thinking, if you start everything from the most important part, from the center part, it will make your vision much clearer. And you can start from the main part of this problem. So let's do it. Let's do it. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Da da dee dee dee. Da dee da dee dee da dee. So this shape. We start from here. It's like a book open up, right? So here we have one book open up, and then there is one side of it parallel to this one, and not so parallel, but it's just a hand drawing, not the end of the word. Yeah. Oh, can you see it? Let me turn on the light. Give some light. This should be parallel to this one. So when you do 3D geometry, make sure all the lines are parallel, and this one should go this way, and this one should go with this. I'm a little bit out of the shape if I color it in a little bit better, but this is a mathematical problem. This is not a drawing problem. This makes us easy to see is good enough. This is a 5 centimeter. All the unit is centimeter, so I will not write down too many words here. This is 5. Is given, and here is 12 is given. Can you see clearly? 12, and here 13, and here 4 centimeter. Now we will we will see the surface area. So we have one side 1, and another side, the back side of, if you can see very lightly, the bottom side, the bottom of this one, we know this side, how many is this side? Is 4 plus 5, write it down, we calculate, this is 9. And this side, how much is this? It's 12. So we got it. So the first shape, we will not shape it 1, 2, 3, 4. We will do from back, circling it up. Okay. First one we see is 5 times 12. Number 1. Number 1 is 5 times 12. Okay. Now the number 2 is 9 times 12. 2, 9 times 12. Number 3, this one, the third one is the back of it. The back of this. Let's say this is a chair, right? The back of the chair. We got this one is 12. Is already given here. Jing 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 jing. 4 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of it should be the same. So it's 12 times 3. Number 3 is 12 times 13. And go here. Actually, we should 13 times 12. Anyway. And here, this side, we raised up. Number 4 is 4 times 12. 4 times 12. Yeah, it's better to write 13 times 12. And here, which is this length, we know this is 13 and minus 5. Here we got it 8. So number 5. 8 times 12. And now this one, 5 times 12. 5 times 12. Now we got it, okay? So another way, what we can do is you just through this exercise, I start to figure out. You can do what? The parameter of this side. The parameter of this side times the width. So 5, 9, 13, 5, 9, 13, 4, 8, 5. You can do that way. Okay, now we will do the side, two sides. The side of this one, surface area. So we have actually two surface area, two of these parallel each other. And this one is not a complete rectangular shape. So what we need to do, we can see it as two shapes. First shape is this one. If we do this shape, we can translate here and make it into real square. We know this one is 9, this is 13, and need to cut out. Here at 4 we cut out, and at 5 we cut out. Right? So the whole big area is 9 times 13 minus 4. If here is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5. Here is 5. And here we have 13. Here we have 5. That is 8. So we can actually see 8 is already written here. And 5 is already written here. 5, 8, 8, and this one is 9 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5, so minus 40. 5 times 8, and this has 2 of the shape. So this is 7 and 8. Okay, so totally it has 8 faces. It's so much better than Facebook. Facebook only have one face. Well, you can do more than one face. And this one is more than 8. 5, 9, 14, 14, 26, 26, 30, 30, 38, 38, 43, 43 times 12, 43 times 12, 23得6， 24得8， 13得3， 14得4， 55 355 16加13乘以9， 39 27， 19得9， 11 117减去40等于7。7 4减1等于7， 77乘以2等于154， so 516 5516, and this one is 154. So 5516加154得0，5得5，6减7，670 cm square. Let me see if I'm right. Not right. 5加9 14 14 26 14 26 30 30 43 43 9减去8 5 5 8 40 13乘以9减去。What is going on? (3 9 27 9得9减去40。44乘以2 77乘以2 154。516。5乘以12 9乘以12 13乘以12 4乘以12 8乘以12 5乘以12 So 5 have 10 19 32 Oh, this one I got it wrong. Yeah. Yeah, I should write it. 13乘以12 it's good. So, I am paying the price because, and this one you plus 12 is 682. That's right. The answer is 682. So make sure you always do it with the right order. 5, 9, and the other time I write 12 times 13 so that I got confused. So one of the side is 13, not 12. Okay, yeah. And the answer is 44 times 12. 44 times 12. 再加上12。532. So this is 532. 532. I got it. 532 plus 154. No. 528. What I'm doing here? 528. So the total is 528 plus 154. 682. So the answer is 682 centimeter square. Okay, I decide to originally post this video instead of changing it and showing just my a perfect part. No, we make mistake. Even as teacher, we make mistake, and it does not discount our credibility of a teacher if we make mistake. We make mistake, and we dare to show the mistake to the world. it means we are courageous. It means we are better than being perfect and work out perfect and pretend to be perfect. We are not perfect. We see our mistake. And this mistake, if it happens to me, it has a big chance that happens to other people. And showing my torturous, shameful process of finding this mistake, I applaud myself. Yang Haiying, I love you. How I love you. How I love myself. Okay, sorry. Bye-bye. I got it right at the end. Took so long time. What a shame. Okay, hello dear friends. Here is another picture. I will not show you the answer part. But we will work out to this answer because it takes time to work it out, and it's fun to work out the problem, right? So here is the picture. Now I will draw the picture, and if you draw it from the edge, it might get confused, yourself get confused. Coming from the center, you see this is like an edge of a chair, or you can see it as a book opened up. This side is a little bit shorter. If it is long, it's a book. But anyway, we will see this and have you visualize what you feel like about this picture. Now I will visualize my way as I like to see this picture. So let's visualize it together. So we have one hinge here, right, in the most important part, and it has a shape. This is the hinge here. We have one hinge, and this one open up a little bit. And then we have another line that parallel to it, parallel to it, and another line parallel. Make sure and parallel. Okay, make it longer. And this one we go parallel to this one, parallel to this one, and we cut it. This one need to be parallel to this one, jing, jing, and another one goes with this, and this one need to go with this, parallel to this one. Okay, I make it a little bit prettier, slower than I do in my own exercise. I think sometimes we do exercise, we do things too fast, and see, even if we work it out, we take so long time to figure out. And if you do in class, you quickly write it down. It does not help, and the student does not have that time to process the information. And always assume that your student does not understand it. It's not that saying that they are not smart. It's just kinder and more human and more helping. The other day I saw a video of Mr. Rogers. And he was talking in front of the court or something, or senator, and asking for a fund for their program. And then I start to see he was such a slow speaker, and it's not that he's trying to make a slow speak in front of the TV, his neighborhood, Mr. Rogers' neighborhood. He is just by nature, when he was relatively young, 30 or 40 years old, he was just speaking very slow, and he did not have the capacity of speaking fast, I felt. And that is so natural. The essence of that person is calm, and it's even paced and very well regulated. And he did not pretend it. He did not pretend to speak slow. I think to be a teacher, it is so important. Or as a person, it is so important to get your idea out precisely, clearly, rationally, logically, and understandingly. That get your idea out and give the listeners time to process. If we talk it too quick, nobody can process it, right? We just need to slow down. And at the end of the day, people get your idea slowly, calmly, and clearly. You actually save so much time, because at one shot you get the problem clear. Okay, now we will try get one shot, get our problem clear. Okay. So we got the unit is feet, foot, feet. We have 2 feet here. We have 10 feet here. We have 4 feet here. We have 2 feet here. We have 11 feet here. Last time we figured out one shortcome in mathematics. Mathematics is an elegant, beautiful thing. One thing you can use your processing method to solve the problem. You can use your brain instead of just tedious calculate each of them. We get to know that the edge is always 10, right? So now we need to figure out the parameter of this shape, and then times its width. Then we are done. So here we have 2, here we have 4, because this one is 4, this one is 4. Here we have 11, here we have 2. This one we do not know, but we know this is 11, this is 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. And this one we do not know, but we know 4 here, 2 here. Cut out this 2, we got 2 here. So we need to know this side of surface is 2 plus the parameter of this side is 2 plus 4. You didn't see. I'm sorry. Let me do it. Yes. 2 plus 4 plus 11 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2. 2 got it. 4 got it. 11 got it. 2 got it. 9 got it. 2 got it. So we got everything. Actually, if you think again, it's actually the shape, the parameter of this is you can move this one up here, and this one move. So it's actually 11 times 4. Let's see the result, if it is the same. Okay. Another presumption, I say this parameter is 4 plus 11 times 2. Let's see if we can make it an equal sign here. 6, 11, okay. 20 20加20等于30 equals 30. They are the same. Phew. What I'm doing here. So this on the side we know is 30 times 11. Where is 11? 30 times 10. I'm sorry. The edge, the hinge is always 10. 30 times 10 equals 300 square feet. And this number is so important, we circulate it, because we will do so much writing and then we forget it. Before forgetting it, I will circulate and use my purple mechanic pencil that can be erased. That is so cool. One of the coolest things, right? How can you not loving it? I got it from Art Teachers Conference. You can erase it. I will not erase it. We will not spend too much time doing this, but remember this shape. Okay, now we need to calculate this side of shape. This side of shape, we cannot use the same method. The side, the parameter. We will calculate the whole piece side is 4 by 11 without cutting out. Now we need to cut out this small part. Is 2 times 9 minus 2 times 9. And this side we have, the other side we have, times 2. 44 minus 18 times 2 equal 44 times minus 18, 626 times 2 equal 52 square feet. Okay, the square feet. Yeah, we better write it down. How this we didn't write down square feet. How can we come out square feet just out of nowhere? This is not mathematically correct, but it's just a footnote we put on the square feet. Now this information is important. We circulate, and now we do the whole 300 plus 42 equals 300 plus 52. I'm sorry, English is not my word, so sometimes I say it wrong. And what I say sometimes is not what I mean. You know what I'm saying, right? 352, 352 square feet. We better do it this way, because there's no square feet, there's no square feet. We suddenly pop up square feet, make it a footnote. So 352. Yes, we are right. How I love myself. Okay, we have another exercise, but it's starting to be tedious, right? We will not spend that much time to do repetitively doing this, and instead we will do something that is much simpler and easier. Let's do this one. Which one? The last one or this one? This one. Which one number is? We will do this. This one. How about this one? Okay. How about this one? Because it's a little bit, the way of drawing it is not so like the one on the side. You have a perfect shape. No, this one is more. It's not difficult. I know, you know it. You are saying, I hear you. Hai-Ying, why are you doing such an easy, dumb question? I didn't try. It is like this. Okay, so we do this one. Now I will do my drawing. Okay. So we see, we can start from still right in the center hinge we have a parallelogram, not so straight, the first one, and then another parallelogram here, then another parallelogram here. I wish I had masking fluid here, and I do not have, or I put it somewhere, so we cover it up. Cover it up. You do not see it, okay? We cover it up. Okay. Do I have a tape to cover it up? Yes, I do. Oh, I love myself. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, we cover it up. Nobody sees it. You did not see. Okay, you do not see anything. Don't tell me. 11 cm, 13 cm, 2 mm, 11 mm. Ooh, M&M, 11 mm, 13 mm, 2 mm. Pretty easy to calculate, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes. We need to calculate whichever way. Here, on this rotating rounded up shape, the parameter of the side is 11 times 2, 11 times 2, and what I'm doing here, I'm sorry. So the parameter, I'm sorry, I didn't try to make mistake. Okay, the parameter of this one is 11 plus 2 times 2. 11 plus 2 times 2, that's the parameter. That's 13 times 2. Okay, I write it step by step like Mr. Rogers. 13 times 2 equal 26. And then the area is 26 times 13. We know 133, 13 times 13 is 169. This is already, you know it. You are in middle school, you know it. The square of 1 to 20, you just know it. You just know it. Okay. 169 times 2 is 338. 338. Yes, 338. And we finish this one, and then the surface area of here is 2 times 11. Circulate. 2 times 11 times 2 side. 44. 44 plus these two information together, 338 plus 44 equal to 4.883 382. Yes, we are right again. Millimeter square. Yes, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. I got to go. You have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Other teacher may find different way. I find ways different from other teacher. Other teacher finds way different from me. And some parents help their kids in different way. Whichever way, there are all roads leads to Rome. Many ways we can calculate a number, and like this basic mathematics, once you know the logic, you can find many ways until you reach the same result. You can either do it just each side, add it up. You can do it a little bit more a tricky way, whichever way. I found another way. You can this area, and this area, 3 of these times 2, also good. All is possible. Everything is possible. You can just yeah. Okay, you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. I love you. I really do. Okay, not wasting too much of